What if you use the DNA itself
Yeah.
as the building material?
So instead of using DNA just as the blueprint to give information to build something else, what if you effectively use that blueprint as a sheet of origami, telling you where to cut and fold so the blueprint itself becomes a tiny little structure? And here's how they actually do that.
So if you think of DNA, right,
Yeah.
it's two strands,
Yeah.
and they're usually complementary. So if you have an A here, you have a T here. If you have a C here, you have a G here.
Right.
And then when they come together, they kind of zip up. A binds with T, and C binds with G, and so forth, right?
Got it.
So if you have two complementary strands, they will zip up and form this familiar double helix
Yes.
structure. But what if they weren't completely complementary?
Okay.
What if like this part here was complementary to this part here, but then this part here was not complementary to this? But then you have these two flimsy parts that haven't paired up yet.
Right.
So now if you introduce a third part, for instance, that binds to these unbound parts,
Yeah.
you can create junctions, right? And those junctions, you could then branch them out and build them further into larger structures.